Niño Franco Belhira, Campanexo, Cadet First Lieutenant Dave Anthony Adrias, First Artillery Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Michael Charles Vincent Paglinawan, Second Artillery Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Danica May Cuesta, Mapi Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Simper Chan Gerwela, Principal, Sister Tas Rapira, OP. Commandant Maria Citagel Samar, DSC Tenor, Mr. Arman Lagatos, and Mrs. Estrella Samar, Miguel Junior, Mr. Raul Rodas, and April Diane Pinador. Say to the Dorito, Visible Loranco. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 15, Orlando Rosario Rosario, Senior Lomara. Thank you very much. Entry number 15, that was Colino del Santísimo Rosario. Masunod na entry number 16, naghahali sa Libod 1, Libanan, Camarines Sur, Bicol Central Academy City Unit, headed by the Corps Commander and his staff. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Raymark Bebes, Corps Commander. Cadet Major John Lester